As a district attorney, I prosecuted people charged with DUI murder. And as a criminal defense lawyer, I have defended people accused of DUI murder. The important thing to remember is that it's not enough for the prosecutor to prove that you were intoxicated and there was an accident and somebody died. They have to go further. They have to prove that your recklessness or your negligence, your bad driving caused the accident. Now, let me give you an example. Suppose that I am hammered. I just drank a case of beer. I've got a 0.25 BAC. I'm just falling down drunk. And I'm stopped at a red light on Wilshire Boulevard. And then I'm legally stopped, waiting for the light to turn. And as I'm sitting there, some car slams into me from behind, rear ends me, and the driver of the car that rear-ended me goes through the windshield and dies. Well, I'm not liable for vehicular manslaughter or for murder. Now, I may have been drunk driving, but I didn't cause that accident. I'm not liable. I'm not at fault. Now, in most cases in California where there's a traffic fatality, the CHP comes in to investigate and is sort of given the job of determining who's at fault. And I can tell you from 15 years of experience, the CHP will always find that the person who was drinking was at fault. They're biased, they do sloppy, incomplete investigations, and they always side against the person who was drinking. Here at Schaus Law Group, we never simply rely on the CHP report. We put together a team of lawyers, investigators, and traffic reconstruction experts, and we go and reconstruct the accident from the beginning. And what we find many times is that our client wasn't at fault. A lot of times we find that the other driver was at fault, or there were multiple people at fault, or maybe it was an unavoidable, unforeseeable situation that resulted in the accident. By doing this, many times we've been able to successfully defend people who are charged with DUI murder and get the charges reduced and sometimes even dismissed.